probably a day total.
One of our subscribers named Andy sent us this little mini truck. For some reason, somehow, Hot Wheels copied our idea and made a Hot Wheels that fast. But check this thing out. Looks just like it.
It does.
I'd have never thought somebody walking down the aisle in a store would see something like that and just think Peck Brothers. And I've got to send it to them. That's super cool. We love stuff like that.
I really should be home working on the FJ timing chain job, but I got tied up in little truck stuff. So, yeah, it happens. I got invited to go to little, I don't know, they're using like the SCX 24s and stuff and 18 scale stuff. A little RC crawling event, and I've been invited a few times and I've never made the time to go, and I'm trying to avoid the timing chain job. So today I'm gonna go do this for a little bit. So quite honestly, like, I'm a little nervous finding all the information online as far as timing marks and doing that whole job. Like, I tore it apart and now I'm like, man, like, I need all the torque specs and I need all the information on timing marks and putting it all back together. And factory service manuals are expensive. So, and I'm not sure I trust Google. Like, I mean, literally everything I search, I get 4 different answers. So, like, how do you know what's right, what's not right? So, anyway, I finally got in contact. You guys need to check this place out. It's eManualsonline. I'm going to drop a link in the description. But, yeah, for like 30-something bucks, 40 bucks, I have finally found it. But it's like 100% like OEM style factory service manual in a digital format. You can download, reference anytime you want. And, you know, that's super handy. Like, if you buy a car and you plan to keep it for a while, like a Toyota, which, you know, you tend to run a long time, this is super good information to have. So I'm really looking forward to using this. I'm hoping that it's everything that it's cracked up to be, because it really looks like good stuff. But for today, I'm gonna go play little trucks, and then I'll come back home armed with all this new good information I got, and see if we can start putting this FJ together. In the meantime, we're getting to drive Spike, and we're driving up legendary, beautiful M22, headed towards Leland, Michigan, Suttons Bay area, Michigan. So it's just a gorgeous scenic drive along what we call West Bay, part of Lake Michigan. And yeah, weather's not bad, roads are dry, not too busy. Should be a fun day of playing little trucks.
Yeah, they definitely got the scale. They got it dialed suspension wise, huh? As far as scale.
The little twin I-beam suspension at work. So thanks to Ryan, I kind of won by default almost. I got first place out of 2 guys in my class, which was kind of fun, I guess. The little SCX 24s, you know, I mean, it's basically a stock truck with like the brass diff covers and some little eBay tires and wheels. So anyway, it was a good time hanging out with some guys, seeing some old friends, and now we're just popping by George's shop. We're going to check out what he's got going on his 4Runner here. So just stopped by to help George out. He's mounting these sweet LED original stainless body style KC lights on the front of his cool first gen 4Runner. Did a little measuring, making sure that we're going to have them in the same spot on both sides. See if we can get these rigged up on here. So in the meantime, he's got an aftermarket bumper. And before they had some like kind of janky trailer light things for turn signals. So he took some well, like 3/4 inch button style LEDs so that he can have both his marker light and turn signal all at one in the corner, which would be really cool. So projects. So just got to peel the sticker off, you know, my big win out at Leland Adventure RC. Pretty solid day. And I've also picked up some random Hot Wheels along the way, and I need to add them to the wall. So we're sliding those in here today too. So this is what I was telling you guys about the manual system online. And again, I'll drop a link in the comments, but this is the exact information that I need to get this job done properly. Timing marks, torque specs, all the stuff to make sure that you can do the job accurately one time and hopefully never have to get back in here again. So, yeah, great information. Super handy if you got an iPad or a laptop. You can't even do it on your phone. Obviously, you can, you know, blow it up so you can get a better look at it. Yeah, priceless information for less than 50 bucks. I mean, a factory service manual would cost you, you know, way more than that. And when you're digging in deep into a project like this, you got to have the right information. So anyway, I'll drop a link in the comments below. But now I got to get started.